I want you to say this with me. Or maybe say it to yourself. Let's read together. Use your life to best suit the life God has for you. This is the message I was preparing, or that I found fit for you. Hallelujah. Use your life to best suit the life God has for you. This message questions and seeks understanding of wanting to know who you are. Are we together? It questions your vision. It questions what you look up to, whom you look up to. Personally, I followed quite a lot of men of God, but I found one man who inspires me every day. And this man I have made and have rightfully contracted myself and my vision to join his vision in the call of God upon his life. And this man is Hubert Angel. Hallelujah. It is the same reason where God said, Go and assemble my sons and daughters in my house. This church is open to anybody who follows any man of God. We are an open church. We are a free church. We take no judgment from men. Are we together? Amen. We have sinned, we have learned. We only need to abide by what heaven is saying and respond by the Spirit of God to the holies. Are we together? Use your life to best suit the life God has sent you.